Very good morning to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, is going to describe the summary of Act 3, Scene 4 from The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. Act 3, Scene 4, there are 6 characters and the entire scene has taken place in Belmont. Lorenzo, Jessica, Portia, Lancelot, Nerissa and Balthazar. This is for the first time you will come across a new character, that is Balthazar. He is the most trustable servant of Portia. So Act 3 Scene 4 begins with a conversation between Lorenzo and Portia, and rest of them are standing at a distance. Lorenzo praises the decision of Portia by sending her husband to Venice in order to rescue his best friend Antonio. He says, Madam Portia, the day you will meet this gentleman, the noblest Italian, you will praise your own decision. Portia says, I have never repented in doing good. As I know Antonio is the best friend of Bassanio. Best friends share traits in common. They might be having the same manners, same habits and same nature. So paying an amount to rescue Bassanio's friend, that is Portia's husband's friend, is just a small favor that I have done. So it sums to be nothing for me, Lorenzo. I have not done anything very big. So Portia says, I'll have to apply a break to my words, Lorenzo. You will have to do me a favor. You will have to take the charge of my mansion. You will have to look after the management of my mansion, because Portia and Nerissa, in the absence of their masters, that is Bassanio and Graciano, they won't be living in the mansion until the masters return. So the big question is that where are they actually going? Portia is telling a lie. She says that she would be going to a nearby monastery that is 2 miles away and would be living life like virgins and widows. Nerissa and Portia both. So Lorenzo and Jessica in the meanwhile would be taking care of the management of Portia's house. All the servants will abide by Lorenzo's rules and regulations. Lorenzo and Jessica make an exit. Portia further interacts with Balthazar and she discloses the truth in front of Balthazar, that Balthazar rushed to Padua. Mark this name, this is a new place. Go to Padua, meet my cousin Dr. Bellario, give a letter to him. In return, he would be giving you important notes and garment. Return to the public ferry that goes to Venice. I would be meeting you over there. Balthazar rush at a convenient speed. Balthazar makes an exit. Now Portia interacts with Nerissa, but she will not disclose anything. What is her actual plan? Portia would be defending the case of Antonio and Shylock in the court of Venice, disguised as a lawyer, disguised as a boy. Yes, she is going to change her attire. But she flatters Nerissa by saying that, Nerissa, come on, we got to get ready as disguised as boys. Believe me, I would look smarter than you. After being disguised as a boy, I would wear my sword gracefully. I will bragger like a youth. I will take man-stride steps rather than ladylike steps. I will speak in a harsh voice and tone. Tell 1,000 lies that how honorable ladies used to fall in love with me. I used to reject them and then they used to fall sick and commit suicide. This extract of Portia is of least importance, believe me. She's only trying to have fun with Nerissa so that Nerissa doesn't question her much. Portia finally says, Narissa, come on, we have lot of work in hand. The coach is waiting outside at the park gate. We need to rush. We have to cover 20 miles. In the meanwhile, let's get disguised as boys. I will explain you each and everything during the journey. This is how Act 3 Scene 4 ends. That means Portia and Narissa now are rushing to Venice. Portia would be disguised as a judge and Narissa would be disguised as judge's clerk. Log into my channel. I will be posting the other scenes also in the name of Desire Career Point. You can also WhatsApp me at 9839305466. Thank you so much.